This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure fishing is unlocked and ready. You need a rod, bait, and inventory space. Once done, head to a high-tier fishing spot where ripples indicate rare catches. Use the strongest bait you have and cast deliberately. Try varied cast distances to trigger unique fish. Make sure to land at least 3 successful catches early to earn the fishing token or shop currency. This initial run builds the resources you'll exchange for the fishing line stable. Once you're reliably catching fish, focus on targets that award fishing tokens or points. Rotate baits and spots. Some fish spawn only at certain times or weather, so check the clock and forecast. Complete the fishing minute challenges and daily commissions to boost token gain quickly. After accumulating enough tokens, visit the fisher NPC or the fishing shop in the area. There, exchange tokens or points for the fishing line stabilizer. Make sure to confirm the required token amount before leaving the vendor menu. Finish by buying the stabilizer, then equip or apply it according to the rod or crafting interface. After that, test it at a consistent fishing spot to feel the difference. If you can't find the item, make sure you have enough tokens, check the vendor's stock, and try again after a daily or server reset. If problems persist, repeat focused farming of the specific fish that award tokens, swap bait types, and verify spawn time. These steps fix most acquisition hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.